How do you start a YouTube channel from zero in 2025 using a faceless method? The key is to leverage the power of creativity and technology without ever showing your face. First, focus on finding a niche that you're passionate about. Research trending topics and identify gaps in content where you can provide value. Create a unique angle that sets your channel apart. Next, invest in high-quality production tools. You don't need to break the bank, but good audio and visual quality matter. Use screen recording software, stock footage, and royalty-free music to create engaging videos. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can enhance your editing process. Develop a content strategy. Plan your videos and stick to a consistent schedule to build an audience. Engagement is crucial. Respond to comments and listen to feedback. Use compelling thumbnails and titles to grab attention. Keywords and SEO are your best friends for gaining visibility in search results. Promote your videos across social media platforms. Join relevant groups and share your work, but avoid spamming. Build connections with other creators for collaborations to expand your reach. Focus on creating a community around your channel. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Growth takes time, but with dedication and the right approach, you'll see results. Embrace the faceless method. It can be liberating and allows you to focus purely on your content.